In the heart of Brazil, tucked between mountains, lies a gem often overlooked by the casual tourist. Welcome to Belo Horizonte, a city of contrasts, where modern skyscrapers kiss the sky and lush green parks offer a tranquil escape. Known as the Garden City, Belo Horizonte boasts countless parks and green spaces, like the enchanting Mangabeira Park. Visit the Pampulha Complex, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, home to a collection of architectural marvels. Indulge in gastronomic delights at the Central Market, a bustling hub of local cuisine. Don't miss the traditional pão de queijo, a delectable cheese bread that's a staple of Minas Gerais cuisine. As the sun sets, the city comes alive. Experience the vibrant nightlife at Savassi, a neighborhood famous for its lively bars and clubs. Belo Horizonte, a city where tradition meets modernity, nature intertwines with urban life, and every corner is a celebration of Brazilian culture. A city waiting to be discovered, a city waiting for you. Until next time, explore more, live more. This is Life and Travels 5, signing off.